Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Campbell's chicken noodle soup in the microwave. First, you'll need a can of Campbell's chicken noodle soup and a microwave-safe bowl. Make sure your bowl is large enough, ideally with a capacity of at least 2 cups, to prevent any spills. You'll also want a microwave-safe cover or some plastic wrap to help with even heating and to avoid splatters. This simple preparation ensures a quick and easy meal. Now that you have your supplies ready, it's time to get the soup into the bowl. Carefully open your can of Campbell's chicken noodle soup. Then, pour the entire contents of the can directly into your chosen microwave-safe bowl. Once the soup is in the bowl, cover it loosely. You can use a microwave-safe lid or a piece of plastic wrap, leaving a small vent for steam to escape. This step is crucial for proper heating. With your soup covered, it's time to microwave it. Place the bowl in your microwave and heat on high for an initial period of 2 to 2.5 minutes. After this first heating cycle, carefully remove the bowl and give the soup a good stir. This helps distribute the heat evenly. Then, return the bowl to the microwave and continue heating for another 1 to 1.5 minutes, or until the soup is thoroughly hot. Once your soup is piping hot, it's important to let it rest. Carefully remove the bowl from the microwave and allow it to stand for 1 minute. This resting period helps the heat distribute evenly and prevents accidental burns. When you're ready, carefully remove the cover, being cautious of any escaping steam. Give the soup one final stir, and it's ready to enjoy. A quick and comforting meal in just minutes.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.